Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry.
Hey y'all, it's Simply Nikki back with another video. How y'all doing today? Happy Friday. What time I wasn't recording this whole time? Alright y'all, it comes with this little blue thing right here. What you do is you separate these two. Ooh. Oh my gosh, I'm struggling. Okay. Ooh. Alright, y'all. You take this out of here. Okay. This you don't need. Put that to the side. This right here goes on top of the drink. Like so. And then you just press it down. Ooh. Oh my gosh, y'all. Y'all, they need to be beat for this. Okay. They need to be beat for this right here one. Because when I tell y'all that this drink was not shooken up or anything, y'all, this drink was not shooken up or anything, okay? They need to be beat for this. In real life. And I was just saying, ooh, I hope that this does not explode. And it did. Alright, y'all. Like I told y'all in the last video, you get the real with the real over here, okay? I'm telling you. Yeah, I'm trying to clean up my mess a little bit, alright? Give me a second. I got it all over my hands, y'all. I mean, a mess. They need to do better with this. Alright, y'all. My bottle is a little nasty, y'all, but I ain't about to be getting up, getting no paper towels and prolonging this video. Okay? And I don't have no more napkins close by. Alright, y'all. Let's get into it. Cheers. Okay, this right here tastes a little weird to drink. I said it tastes. It feels a little weird to drink. It's not even carbonated to me. It's very low on the carbonation. Y'all, I taste a little bit of pineapple. I don't. Let me see. Boo. Ooh. Boo. Ooh. 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 Ugh. Ah. Ugh. Y'all. I told y'all my acid reflux has been bothering me, y'all. That was a nasty, like, a wet burp. Oh, help me. Oh, that was so nasty. Yeah, to be honest, I wouldn't buy this again. I would probably buy this if I could get it for like 50 cents. I would probably buy it. But I don't taste coconut. Let me see. Y'all, I'm not really feeling this. So to be honest, y'all, I'm going to slide that to the side, okay? And y'all, for the first time, because see, I've never tried two drinks up on here, y'all. But I had her sitting here inside the corner. Just in case this right here was nasty. I think I'm going to try this one too, y'all. Not to drink it, but just to try it, okay? Because I didn't like this at all. And, oh, excuse me. Ooh. Y'all, I tried it. but I wouldn't get that again. Okay. So y'all, I'm gonna try this. Now I don't know how to pronounce this because to me I would say Jarritos, but I don't know if this is a Spanish word or not, and I don't want to disrespect anybody's culture. So y'all, I don't know how to pronounce this, okay? So don't eat me up in the comments because I'm calling it a Jarrett. Because to me, I would say Jarrett's, but I am American, okay? Y'all didn't have no fizz, as y'all can hear, but we're going to try this and we're going to see. Because, see, this right here is supposed to have pineapple in it. So we're going to see. Now this smells good. It smells like a Rock Creek pineapple soda. Yeah, that's good. And it's not real, it's not highly carbonated. But it's also not as sweet as drinking a Rock Creek pineapple soda. But that actually is good, y'all. It's really good, y'all. So, woo, excuse me. There's my verdict on these two drinks. Okay. Thank y'all for watching and thank y'all for tuning in. No, this was not, let me set this up. No, this was not an extra burpee video today, y'all, but I hope that y'all enjoyed the video. Okay, so until we chat again, until we vibe again, until I see y'all in tomorrow's video. Okay, bye. Oh my gosh, y'all, excuse me. Woo, y'all, that's it. Bye.